Hola guys, we hope you and your family are safe and sound and you're watching Otakus Online. Today's video will definitely blow you off your minds. It's top 5 Asta moments that gave us chills. Let's get into it. And at number 5 we have Asta versus Seke. This is the scene from the entrance exam wherein Seke chose Asta in the final round because he was the least performer and so he could showcase all his skills and can be in the best squad. But he disrespected Asta and this triggers him. He destroys Seke's magnum cannonball with his anti-magic sword and finishes the match in a go that left everyone surprised. At number 4, we have Asta versus Nobles. When Asta went to royal capital, he met the Silva family for the first time and observed the disrespecting behavior with Noelle, their own sister. So he puts up a fight with them and demands an apology to her. Many nobles came to fight Asta, but he shows everyone what he is really made up of, and this was also the first time that Noelle felt something for Asta. The fight was interrupted by Nozel Silva, who was the head of House of Silva and Noelle's brother. Nozel was just going to attack Asta, but was stopped by the captain of Crimson Lions, Fugo Leon, and with their presence, the heat in the room increases, but the fight was left unsettled. At number 3, we have Asta versus Langris. When Langris beat up Finral very bad with his demonic power, then Black Bulls came out to protect him. And thus, Wizard King announces the change in schedule, and then both teams fight to protect their crystal. Asta starts to fight in his normal form, but Langris overpowered him, so with the help of Xerix, he focused and attained his demonic form. He fights hard and makes everyone believe what the true Magic Knight means and what are their actual duties. At the end, Asta finishes Langris with his move, Black Meteoroid, in a single blow along with the crystal. But the match ties as 60th crystal breaks at the same time, but Asta's courage wins everyone's heart. Next on number 2 we have Asta versus Yuno at awards ceremony. When the Black Bulls stood at second place in annual awards ceremony, everybody was surprised, as this was the first time they were standing in a place other than being last. So everybody started discussing about how they got into this position. The king asked someone to join the stage from Black Bulls, and then that was the time Yani threw him up at the stage. Then Seke says, they are not royals, and everybody started talking about them. Yuno asks her wind spirit to attain full power, and everybody gets surprised. And suddenly, he threw his attack towards Asta, and Asta nullifies his attack in a second. And thus, both shows everyone their power. And on number 1 we have Asta versus the Devil. When Yami attacks the Devil with his long range attack, that is Dark Cloaked Dimension Slash, the Devil was divided into two, and then Nero seals the physical damage of Asta, and then he attained the demonic form and attacks the Devil with his full power and announces that he is going to be a Wizard King. To stay up to date to our latest videos, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell icon.